Sad from West Island. Today I'm here with Francois from Eco Conversions. We are here to answer all the questions about the conversion between oil and whatever. Did you know that you have 8 years from now to actually convert from oil? You are not allowed to repair your old machine. You are going to have to convert your old machine. That grandfathering thing is coming to an end. Did you know that eco conversion replaces electrical heating systems? I'm a little bit bogged down on this, but can you elaborate for me?
Well, what we're realizing now is that when we started our company 5 years ago, our main objective was to convert homes from heating oil, natural gas, and propane to renewable energy and electricity. What we're starting to realize now is that we're starting to get a lot of demand of homes that have existing electric warm air, forced air furnaces, or electric boilers that are over 30 years old, and they don't last forever, and those have to be replaced as well. So we're not just a conversion company, we're much more than that. We also, we're like eco replacement. In other words, we're replacing old electric heating equipment with brand new heating oil, electric equipment that is. We also do the same thing for heat pumps or air conditioners in homes.
So you got to dumb it down for me. You're losing me.
Okay.
So you can take, not only do you convert from oil to whatever,
Mm-hmm.
you can fix what I've got.
Well, not necessarily fixed, but for instance, if your electric furnace is beyond repair, needs to be replaced because it's too old, well, we can replace it for you. We can do the same thing with a boiler, an old hot water system. We can do the same thing with an old heat pump or an old air conditioner, either Mural or Central. And so we offer all those services as well, over and above just converting homes from fossil fuels to renewable energy.
Okay, so Montreal specialist in air conditioning, cooling systems, oil furnaces conversion, anything you've got that makes the temperature in your house change, this guy can cover it.
Exactly.
I think that's what that means.